clothes for now, and we'll open them all later.
No, there's more eggs. Where's your daddy?
Try over here, Elliot.
What's inside?
I don't know. We're gonna find out soon. Don't open it, Elliot. Just put it in the basket. In the basket.
Keep looking, there's more over there.
Look where you were looking before, Elliot.
Where's those? Where are them? Where are they?
Keep looking. I see some.
Where? Where?
There's nothing in the kitchen.
Oh, come on, stay out of the kitchen, Elliot. There's nothing in there. Elliot.
There. There's one there. It's in here. Right there.
Put it in the basket.